Alright, let's do what they call an air squat in CrossFit. I'd call it a simple squat with no weights. Let's just call it a simple squat. The weight in your feet is in between the ball of your foot and your heel, not tilting forwards and not leaning back. I like the idea of using a bench so you can get the fundamental movement started before you practice a full squat. So I'm actually going to put my hands in front of me and bend at the hip. The hip is the first thing to move, and then my knees bend. Just going to touch it, sit back, check where my feet are. Just make sure my toes are pointing forward. I'm trying to pull my knees out a little bit, but it's by rotating my thighs outwards, as if I'm tucking my inner thighs forwards. And I'll just stand up. So you break at the hip, then the knees, then you stand up. Break at the hip, the knees touch, and then stand up. And I'm just checking all the time that my back feels straight and that the balance is on my, what you might call the midfoot. Let me show you from the front. So my toes are pointing forward, hip width apart, hands are forward. I break at the hip first, then the knees, and I try and pull my knees out a little bit, but I'm not actually pulling them out. I'm just trying to twist my thighs sideways. You have a go.